At Farms.com Risk Management, we understand that commodity price risk management and sound financial advice are essential in today's volatile crop and swine sectors. Visit our website at www.riskmanagement.farms.com.
This is Michelle Lemerand, Commodity Research Analyst for Farms.com Risk Management, with your feature USDA Monthly WASDE Report Review. The USDA released their monthly July USDA WASDE report this morning and will be viewed by markets as bullish corn and wheat and slightly bearish to neutral soybean futures. Let's review some of the numbers. When we look at old crop 2010-2011 ending stocks, we can see that the USDA reported corn old crop ending stocks at 880 million bushel, which was lower than the pre-report average guess of 910 and higher than last month's USDA report of 730 million bushel. Old crop soybean ending stocks were reported at 200 million bushel, up from the pre-report estimate of 190 million and also up from last month's report of 180 million bushel. Old crop wheat ending stocks were reported at 861 million bushel, higher than last month's 809 million bushel. Looking at new crop ending stocks, we can see that corn ending stocks were reported at 870 million bushel versus the pre-report average guess of 1,010 million bushel, and again higher than last month's report of 690 million bushel. New crop soybean ending stocks were reported as 175 million bushel, higher than the pre-report average estimate of 172 and lower than last month's report of 190. New crop wheat ending stocks were reported at 670 million bushel, lower than the pre-report estimate of 720 and slightly lower than last month's USDA June WASDE report of 687 million bushel. When we look at old crop 2010-2011 corn balance sheet, we can see that the USDA left harvested acres, yield, beginning stocks, and production unchanged, although they did make changes to the food and industrial use, feed and residual, ethanol, and exports. On the new crop balance sheet, the USDA adjusted everything but yields to bring ending stocks up to 870 million bushel. For old crop soybeans, everything was left the same except for exports, which were adjusted down by 20 million bushel to bring ending stocks up by 20 million bushel to 200 million bushel. New crop soybean balance sheets were left unchanged for yield and crushings. However, changes were made to harvested acres, production, and exports to result in ending stocks coming down to 175 million bushel. And looking at the new crop 2011-2012 wheat balance sheet, we can see that everything was left unchanged, everything was changed except for food use, which brought ending stocks down to 670 million bushel. That's all for today. Have a great day.